Hello everyone. So in this video we'll try to recreate this particular layout, and I basically need it for a dashboard, for creating a dashboard. So I think I'll be using this particular structure. So I'll just explain what is going on here. So they have basically used, I think they have used CSS grids for making this layout, because without that I think it will be a bit difficult. So I think there are 4 columns here, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yes, there are 4 columns. So do we have an online tool for drawing? Let's see what comes up. Quick draw. Let's try Sketchpad. So if you look here, okay, I already have this drawn. Yes, this is what I needed. So if you look closely here, so basically they have divided this particular container into 2 rows and 4 columns. So basically this is the structure. So there are 2 rows, this is the first row, this is the second row, and then there are 4 columns, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I need something like this, but I won't be following the exact structure as they are. So for the dashboard, what I will need here is that this will be a long item here, this item, and on the bottom of this there will be a pie chart here, and there will be some big text here. Then these 3 cells, I'll be using these 3 cells for drawing a line chart, something like this. And then these small cells, they will be individual items, and they will be hyperlinks to other pages in the app. So maybe, okay, that's what I am planning to do. So I'll be using CSS grids for making this layout, because without that it will be difficult, I think. And if you don't know about the grid system, I highly recommend you check out this documentation by Chris House. It's hosted on CSS Tricks, and the properties that you will be needing basically are, okay, if I just zoom in, they are grid template columns, calls, and then it's similar grid template rows, and then there is grid template areas. I think this is LUMNS, and these are for the container, and for the item I think you need grid area. Yes. So these are the 4 properties that I'll be using for making this making the structure. So let's get started. So let's move to the desktop, and we'll make a dir directory. Okay, dir grids, and add cd grids. So we need 3 files. Do we need 3 files? Index.html, style.css, and script.js. Do we need script? I do need charts here, right? So for that I have been thinking of using ChartJS, because I have used it in the past and it's quite easy to use. So yeah, let's just have the script ready. We'll see let's just see if we will be using it or not. So I need these 3 files, and then code dot. So okay, maybe I haven't used VS Code in a while, so I'm getting this new page. So what we need here is HTML5. Okay, the title is do we need grids? Maybe grids. Okay, and also yeah, we need live server here. Sorry about that. So I hope you guys know what this does is that whenever there are changes in the index file or any other file, there is a live reload of this particular address. So if I copy this, oh, sorry about that, Control Shift C for the terminal in Linux. I have been using Windows in Office, so Control C works there. So sorry about that. And Sketchpad, and let's keep this and load the live server here. Okay, we have an empty page. Okay, so basically what we need here are, where is the Sketchpad? Yes, so we need 5 items, right? So this will be my first item, the long one. Then this is the second long one, will be the second item. Then we have C, D and E. So 5 items we need. Let's go to VS Code. We need a container, and within it we need 3 items, right? So dev.items times 5. I think this should work. It does work like this, right? Yep. Okay. So, and let's just label them a bit separately. Oh wait, I think am I recording? I am recording, but I'm not live, right? So you can't see my face. So I just go short here. Maybe this should be okay, I guess. Place it here and always on top. Okay, this should work. So the first item we need it on the left side, so this will be the pie chart. Let's name it pie. Do we want to name it pie, or let's say left? Left. Then we need top. Then we have bottom 1, BTM1, BTM2, and BTM3. Okay, this is all we need. And this let's put dummy text here. Left, top. What else? Bottom 1, and let's do this. Bottom 2. Sorry about that. Bottom 2 and bottom 3. And where is our page? We have this. Yes, we have this. And also we need our style. And let's just split it in half. I don't need the script. I need the style. I'm sorry if my video is lagging a bit. So what I need here is for checking out the borders. Border 1 px solid black. It should be. Oh, I haven't linked them. Sorry about that. Link href equals /style.css and what is it? What was this? Type, I think. What? Relation, sorry. Relation equal to style sheet, right? And below we will need the script tag. Script src is equal to /sc script.js, and we'll just defer it so that it loads after everything that we have been we need to use. Okay. So I think this should be good enough to start with. Do we have? Yep, we have everything we need. So now let's style the container dot container. What do we need? We need this. Let's say margin. Let's say 50 px on the top, and we need it center aligned. So margin 50 px and auto. Then we need what do we need? Let's say width of maybe 80 view height, or let's do 70 at first, and let's see how it looks. And the height is maybe 500 px or 400 maybe. Let's just see how it looks. Yeah, this looks good. Now we have all this. Now display grid, and as soon as I save this, you can see, boom, we have the grid system here. So what we need, let's go back here in the sketchpad. So we need 4 columns of equal length, right? So how to write this here is that we need grid template columns, and the shorthand way of doing it is since we have 70 view height, so we write 25%, 25%, 25%, 25%. That's one way to do it. The another short way of doing it, this is basically how you would do it. Sorry, 25%, just copy it, control V, control V, and control V, and if I just save it and go back here, you can see we have equal size grids here. So another way of doing this is just writing repeat, and how many times we want 4 equal sized, and the size of each will be 1 fr. So fr is basically fraction. Let me just expand this a bit here. Fr is basically fraction, so 4 times 1 fraction each. So that is how you can interpret this part. So similarly, we need grid template rows, GTR. So we need repeat 2 times and 1 fr each, right? So this should work. Yep. And also now we need the areas. So how do we need the areas? The first two, the first column, basically the first column should be of type there is here, right? We have left here, the left should be on the left, and the top 3 cells should be top. So let's just write that out. Grid areas, no, it should be grid template areas, right? So let's go to a new line, and what do we need? We need the left, the first cell to be left, the next one to be top, the next one to be top, the next one to be top. Similarly, we need this one to be left, then we need this one to be BTM1, BTM2, BTM3. So if I save this, you see that nothing actually happens here because the grid system does not know what these containers yet. So these items basically. So we need to make the grid system identify these items. So for that, identify these areas basically. So for that, what we need to do is we need to select the left item, and we need to say grid area. I think, if I'm not wrong, grid area is left. So as soon as I write this, you can see that the left one is taking the left space. So similarly, if we repeat this, the top one should have a grid area of top, then dot BTM1 should have grid area GA of BTM1, then the BTM2 should have a grid area of BTM2, and similarly the last one, BTM3, should have a grid area of BTM3. Okay, so now we have this layout ready. This is what we needed, right? So now let's have a gap here. So GG, I think, grid gap is, let's say, 15 pixels. Okay, we have a gap here. So it's looking quite similar to this, at least on the layout front. So what else we need? Yeah, the border radius, right? So we need some border radius here. So for the border radius, we will select the items. So dot items, and we have a border radius of, let's say, 5 pixels, or maybe let's do 10. Okay, we have a 10 pixel border radius, and before getting rid of the color, the border basically, I think I need to add some color to them. So okay, not here, let's say items, BGC, right, background color. And what do we need? Let's take something from here, the tools, material design. I just use the palette here. Which one do you want to use? Somewhere from the yellow side, maybe something like this. And color, I did not copy it, sorry. It's copied now. Control V. I save this and go back here. Okay, this looks good. Now I think we can get rid of this. Okay, this is what we need, and maybe we'll go a bit on the lighter side so that it does not look that bad. Is it visible now? I can't see it, sorry. Maybe this color. Save it. How does it look? Okay, this is better than before, I guess. Okay, and also I think I can increase the height a bit to, let's say, 500 pixels. No, that's too much. 450 maybe, and let's try this as 75. Okay, this looks better, much better. Maybe this is a bit too wide for a line chart, but we'll just see what we do here. Also, on the items, I need a transition, right? So let's initiate transition on transform 0.2 seconds, and let's say ease, and on hovering the items dot items hover, on the hover state we need to transform scale, let's say 1.02 maybe. So we have a hover, right? Okay, this is looking good. So now I think we are almost done with the grid layout. So should I start with the, I'm just thinking, should I start with the chart or should do the overlay? I think we should do the overlay first. So let's grab an image here. Let's say Dobby maybe, or something. Images, something that will look something dark in color. Happy. This one looks good. Come on. Load. I'm paying 900 rupees for my internet, bro. Why is this not loading? Let's try this. Load. Let's try this. Is it good? What the hell? Oh god. Okay, this is loaded. So open image, new tab. Save image as. What do we need? We need it in desktop inside grids, and we need Dobby.jpg. Okay. So we have Dobby here, right? So okay, we have Dobby. What do we need? So okay, let's start with this. I'll remove these for a bit, and within this I need the image sources /Dobby.jpg. Alternate text is Dobby, and what is this? I'm not sure what this. Okay, let's just move this here. I have a small screen, so it does not make sense to have a split screen here. So Dobby, and let's just remove this part. I don't know what it is. And then here we need the div.info, and here we'll have the link. So what do we need? Let's just write Dobby here. Okay. So where is my text? Okay, my text is here. Okay. So we have an image here, right? What we need to do here is that for the items image, we need to spread it. So object fit should be covered, if I'm not wrong, and height should be 100%, width should be 100%, and okay, this does look good, but yep, this looks good. Yes, this is what I need. But one more thing that I need is that the border. The border, I think that is overflow, if I'm not wrong. Overflow hidden, I guess. Yep, that fixed the border. So we have Dobby here, and do we need a filter? Filter blur maybe of, let's say, 2 pixels. Okay, this looks good, right? Or maybe 1 pixel. Yep, okay, but where is my, okay, we used overflow hidden, so that got hidden, right? So I think something is broken here, right? Because I had the, let me reload this. How did this shrink? Where did it break? Something is wrong, I guess. The top portion shrinked, I don't know why. Height is 100%, width is 100%, so what part is correct, right? Left, top. Repeat. Okay, yes, now it is working fine. There's a space here. Sorry about that. Okay, so we have this here, and for items we need a position of items position as relative. Okay, and then we have the info class here, right? So for the info we need position as absolute and top 0 and left 0, and since it's a dark background we need color to be a light color, right? Color should be, let's say, FFF, and we need font size, of course I said, to be, let's say, 2rem, and text transform uppercase. Okay, let's save this. Yep, we have Dobby here. Okay, I moved a bit on top. So I need this text to be, where do I need this? I need this to be in the center. So how do we do that? We can do that by using a flex box maybe, but should it work? I think it should work. So display flex, and if I say align items center and justify content center, it should work. Okay, it did not work. Maybe because if I have a span here, it should work. And okay, it's not working. Why is it not working? Line items. Flex direction column. Okay, it's not working. Why is it not working? Why is it not working? Text align center. What is going on here? Live reload is enabled, but where is my elements? So as you can see, the grid lines are visible here, but that's not what I'm looking for right now. EP01 Dobby info. So for this I need to align this in the center. So why is it not working? It should be working with display flex, right, if I'm not wrong. Display flex. Okay, it hasn't moved. Justify content centered. It's not moving. I don't know why. Is it because of the area? Let's try another div here. Because of the tag maybe. I'm not quite sure how Flexbox works, so okay, it's not working. Okay, let's just leave it like that for now, and flex direction column. It should work, but okay, let's just leave it like this for now and replicate this for 2 more times. Control C, Control V, Control V, and this should be BTM2 and BTM3. So if I go to the page now, we have 3 Dobbies here. Okay. So okay, I know why it's not working, because we also need to give the div width and height of 100%. So width 100% and height of 100%. So it should work now. Yep, we have it. We have it, people. We have Dobby on the center. Okay, so we'll add fonts later, but initially this looks fine to me. And we also need to remove these two labels, they look quite ugly. So okay, we have Dobby. And let's just try font W, font weight bold. Okay, maybe we'll add fonts later, but okay. And also on hovering over the info, we need the background color, right? We need some background color. So info hover BGC background color, let's say RGB 000, and let's say 50%. Okay, yes, this is working. We'll add a transition later, but this is working. And also let's modify the text a bit. So we have a 2 rem here, let's have 1 rem here. So how much is 1 rem? Okay, Dobby here, and here we'll have it as said, font size is 2 rem. So Dobby. Okay, now let's add the transition. So we need transition. Sorry, I can't type right now. Transition on, what do we need? Font size of set, font size 0.2 seconds, these, and also let's just move to a new line here so that it's easily readable font size. And what else do we need it? Where else do we need this? Text transform, right? No, not text transform. BGC. Background color 0.2 seconds is, this should work. Dobby. Okay, maybe the text is a bit too much, I guess. Let's have it from 1.5 gram. Dobby, and also let's say we have a pointer here, cursor. This looks good. Dobby. Okay, this looks quite good, I guess. We could do a bit better, but let's just stop it now. Stop it here for now. Stop. And then for the 2 elements. So now this is where things start to get a bit tricky. So let's just reduce these for a while. I don't need something cluttering my page for now. So left item. So on the left, as I discussed earlier, so let's remove this. Yes, in the sketchpad you see that on the left side we need a pie chart on the bottom half of it, and some big info on the top left here, right? And then here we need the line chart. So let's tackle this portion first. So items left, div.top plus div.bottom. Okay, so in the bottom class, here we'll have a canvas, and here what we will have is what will we have here? Sorry, this is where we'll have the canvas. So here we'll have the text. So then we'll have div.heading, HEADING, then we'll have div.data plus div.hint, most probably. So this is what I need. So let's say this is data, and what else do we need here? Data, and let's say 0.9999 or something, and here we say you are looking at data. Let's just give a good name here. So closure ratio maybe, and so this is quite high for that. Let's say 0.22, and here we'll say more is good. Okay, this is the hint that we have. Okay, So why am I getting an error here? Is that an error? Okay, closure ratio pointed to more is good. Okay. So now we also need to align this in the center. So where is it? What do I need to target? The top half, right? So dot left, dot top. So okay, something is breaking, right? Yep. Okay, how do I tackle this? Something will break here, so let's add an underscore. Okay, this quick fix. It's not advisable to do this in production code, so don't have code like this in production code. So okay, for this we need a display flex. Flex FLD should work, right? FLD flex direction column, and if I save it, okay, nothing exactly happens right now. So and then say align items center. Yep, we have this here. And okay, just let's get back the margins here so I can see what is happening. So okay, I need this to be this much, right? So where is it? Info left top. So let's just dot left dot top. Okay, dot left dot top, and okay, we have that, and we need this to have a height of 50%. I think 50% of its container, right? Yep, it has a height of 50% of its container, and I need this to have a padding. So how much padding do I need? Padding top, basically padding top of, let's say, 30 pixels. Okay, so let's move that one to the bottom too. So how do I fix that? I think it should be HTML and box sizing, border box, I think. Okay, that did not fix it. So should this be HTML or body? Okay, that did not fix it either. So 50% minus, should that work? Padding top 50% minus 30 px, will this work? Okay, that is horrible. Okay guys, any idea how we fix this? I don't need the box to be this much. Okay, let's just remove this for now and have a padding top of that much, and then we need to target the elements, right? Dot heading, sorry, FONS font size, let's say 2rem. Is 2rem big enough? Let's try 2.5 maybe. This is good. And dot data, sorry, dot. Again, we need to target the font size. Control C, and let's say 2rem here. It's too small. 2.5. Go to 3.5 maybe. That's good. And we need dot print, margin top and GT, margin top 10 pixels, and this one should also have a margin top of 10 pixels and GT. Okay, this does not look how I wanted it to, but we just work with this now. Now we need a canvas here, and okay, let's remove these for now. Closure ratio 0.222, always good. And we need okay, now I think the things will get complicated. We need to get the ChartJS. So I think I have CDN here. Yes, CDN is here. So ChartJS. ChartJS. Copy script tag. We'll place it just before our script tag. Okay, and then we need this file also here now. So before using this, let's just make a function for generating random numbers. So function random numbers. So it will take two parameters, how many numbers that we'll need, length and the max range. Okay, and what will it return is that we will have an array. Let's let numbers equal to array. Numbers is an array. Then let I equals to 0. I think there's an easier way of, there's a more elegant way of writing this, but I'll just do it like this. So while I less than length, let's just write like this. Maybe there might be some error. I less than length. We'll do numbers dot push. What do we need? Math dot random times max. So what this will do? Okay, this will generate a floating point. So we need math dot float. Right. Math dot float. This should work, right? And we need to increment I plus equal to 1. This should work, right? And we will return numbers here. So this should work, but just to be sure, let's open JSFiddle and check if it's working or not. I'm pretty sure it should work. We have the console here, right? So Control V and random numbers console.log random numbers, and let's say we need 10 numbers and the max range should be 15, and let's run this. Okay, fine. How many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, it's working fine. So this is what we need. Okay, so we have our helper function here. Now let's see how we can get the canvas. So we need a canvas here. Canvas hashtag by. Okay, so also we need to set the width and height for this, right? So let's just look at it first, how it is being rendered. Canvas border MPX solid black. Okay, this is looking very bad. This is looking very bad, people. How do we fix this? How do we fix this? Let's say, okay, one hack is that we'll have a position. Yep, that's how we roll. That is how we roll. So the parent of the canvas is bottom. So how does the bottom look now? Okay, the bottom is being filled completely. Is it being filled completely? I don't think so. So bottom height. I'm not so sure how this is going to look. How do I fix this? Let's say red. Okay, the my bottom is still this much, right? So what I need is, I need the bottom part to start from here. Okay, so what we can do is, we can hack the bottom bit, right? So the parent for bottom is top, so we can have, where is top? These are just quick fixes, and it is not advisable at all to use code like this in production. So but where is my top? Okay, we have left and top, right? So top will have a position, not top, is it top or what is it? It's left, right? Left will have a position of absolute, relative, and bottom will have a position of relative, absolute. Yes, this will have relative, this will have absolute, and it will be positioned on the bottom, right? So let's go through that again. Left will have position relative, and top, no, not top, left dot bottom, dot left dot bottom also works fine, but I'm just writing it like this to target it specifically. Dot bottom will have position as absolute, and bottom will be 0. Yep, that is what I needed. And it will have a height of 50%. Boom, we have the and now we need to, this is what we needed, right? Yes. And for the canvas, we need height. Okay, let's not do it like this, and because this will just stretch the thing, and we'll save this, and let's add jQuery for selecting the elements. So यहाँ पे ChartJS आ गया, jQuery कहाँ से लाएंगे हम लोग? Okay, from where do we get? Okay, that is not what I intended to open. jQuery, other tools, CDNJS, jQuery. Okay. Where is minified version of jQuery? Control V. Okay, and in the script we'll target what is the name? Pi, I think. Hashtag pi. Dot width equal to pi dot parent dot width, if I'm not wrong. jQuery width, I think there is a property, but I'm not quite sure about it. jQuery width, jQuery width, yes. Okay, let's just save it and see what happens. Okay, where is my chart? Where is my canvas? Kidhar gaye bro? Console. Okay. Reference error, left hand side in assignment. What is this error, bros? Okay, let's just try like this. Document dot get element by id by dot width equal to this. Is it working now? Should it work now? Holy shit, what happened here? Where is my canvas, brothers? Where is my canvas? Div. The div is here, but where is my canvas? Okay, I removed the canvas, I think. border 1px solid black maybe. I'm not getting a width here, but right, and the overflow is also there, so items overflow hidden, right? So if I remove this, you can see that the canvas is extending quite a bit, so that is not what I want. So what about parent, pi.parent? What is the parent of pi? What is the parent of pi? Pi का parent है bottom का parent है items left. So if I do parent.parent, will this work? Yep, this fixed the problem. Okay, and height, I need height height equal to parent.height. We have our canvas, people. Now we can go ahead and make the chart. Okay. Okay, let's just remove the references now for this one and this one. Okay, and while we are at it, let's also just add the, okay, let's add it later. We have our canvas ready. Now what we need to set it up. So where is my chart types? Line, bar, area, radar, donut, and pie charts. Yes, this is what I need. So okay, this looks good. Type is donut. Can I change it to pi here? If I change it to pi, okay, this is the pie chart. Okay. But what do we need? Do we need donut or do we need pi? I need pi, but data is data. Over offset is 4. It is cut out, if I'm not wrong. Cut out. If I'm not wrong, it was cut out. I need it to be 90% and the space here. Okay, that's not working. Cut out. Maybe it was inside options. Something is not right here. Cut out, right? Config options, yes. Default 50%. This is how it should be, right? So where do I put this? That is the question, I guess. Datasets and is ending here. Cut out 90%. Okay. But it's not working. I don't know why. It should work. Maybe it should be inside options. Okay, that's not working either. Okay, let's just forget about the cutout for now and use this donut, right? So config, Control C, and we paste this here. Control Shift F, or type pi. Data is data. So, and this is not config, this is what is this? This is pi config. Pi config. This is pi config, and we need pi data. Here it should be pi data. I need some water, but let's just try. Pi data. And whatever is the setup, so we need this part here. Let's paste this. Control Shift F should be for formatting, but let's just leave it as it is. And we have 3 here, and instead of this I'll be using random numbers. How many do we need? Let's say we need 10, and maximum, let's say 50 maybe. And okay, if I write 10 there, I'll need to write 10 labels. So what to do? Let's say 5 and 50, and yellow, orange, and what else? Black maybe. Sorry. Okay, these are the data points, and also we need colors, right? Oh god. Control home, Control C, Control V, Control V. So let's just have 186 here and some random value. Let's say 105 here. I'm not sure how it will be rendered. Let's say 205 here. Okay. Pi config. We have constant data. There should be pi data. And we have this here. So let's just see if we have the charts here. So we will be needing the console now. Whoa, what happened here? Okay. I don't have the energy to make this responsive right now, so let's just keep it like this only. Okay. So then how do we set it up? General, getting started, installation, integration, usage maybe. Yes, okay. So we have the width and height set for the canvas. Then we need to get the context of the chart and document. Okay, we need this. So always use let now. Utility let. This is pi context. Pi ctx is equal to, this should be pi. And then what is this? Okay. Then how do we initialize this? Okay, new chart, and then config file, right? Chart equal to let pi chart equal to, what is it? New chart. Sorry. Oh shit, what the hell? New chart, pi ctx and pi config, if I'm not wrong. We did have a pi config, right? Yes, there is a pi config here. So pi ctx is also there. Boom, we have our chart right here, guys. So it is being cluttered a bit. Okay, but this is what I need, so maybe we can play around with it a bit and get it up and running. So now let's just not waste time trying to fix this, and let's try this one. So where are the different chart types? What do we need? We need a line chart. So okay, setup, config. Okay, so we have the pi here. Let's do this beneath the pi. So So this should be line config, and data should be line data. Okay, and we have a const line data here equal to an object basically. So this is our line data. Copy this entire thing. How many lines do we need? My first data set. Okay. Let's just label it in a different way. Line 1. Okay, labels equal to labels. So what the fuck is this? Sorry about that, please excuse my language. Labels, what do I need? I need random numbers here, right? So this will be random numbers. No, not random numbers. I need one for continuous numbers too, right? Function serial numbers, maybe. Function serial numbers, and we just take a length here. And what do we return? Let numbers is this, and this space. Okay, the structure will be same, I guess. While I less than len, I less than len, right? So let's just have it like this: I equal to 1. Let's not have it from 0. I less than equal to len numbers dot push I. Okay, and I plus equal to 1, and return numbers. Okay, this is our second utility function for just generating serial numbers. So the label we will have is serial numbers. Serial numbers, how many do we need? Let's say 30. Yeah, 30 will give a good data point, and the data is random numbers. Numbers, how many do we need? 30, and let's say maximum is 100 maybe. Okay, and okay, we have the first data set here. So let's copy this. Let's copy this and paste it here. Okay, let's say this is line 2, and change the color a bit. Let's say 175. And okay, we have the line config. And now let's just finish this up quickly. Okay, we need to have the canvas also. Oh god. Should be line. This should also be line, and this should be line, and it will not be dot parent for that. It should. Okay, before calling, yeah, we need to make that. So we have our items left, so item stop, we need to modify this one right now. So this will have a canvas hashtag name. Whoa. What the hell? Canvas line, and this should work, right? The item stop width and height isko hona padega, right? So parent dot width, this should work if I am not wrong. Let's have this here and have this here and go back here. Okay, something is wrong. Oh god, something broke. What the hell did I do? What did I do? What the hell did I do? God damn it. F12. Unexpected token. Okay, script.js 55. Okay, that's a minor error. It should be fixed quite easily. 55. Okay, sorry about that. It should be a comma here. Okay, we have this here, but this line has to be fixed, right? Whoa. It's fixed, yeah. We did it, guys. We did it. So this we have the line here, and Okay, before we, it doesn't matter, but okay, this is here, and where is this no, not this is what we need to call, right? Let's copy this and paste this here. This should be line. Boom, boom, boom. We are almost done, guys. Line. This should be line. This should be line again. Line context and line config, and we should be done here. Okay, yes, we did it. I think it took me less than an hour probably, but yeah, we have it done. So this is what I needed. You can add fonts or something. Okay, so it is done. Yep, the labels are from 1 to 30. Yes, we have done it. And okay, let's just play around a bit here. The color is looking very bad, so we can have this one as the background. So let's just have body BC as this one. Control X, Control B. Oh, I only needed the color, bro. What are you doing? Control X. Okay. I can't type for shit. Control X and okay. Let's just reload now. Okay, guys, we have it. Whoa. Okay, something bad happened here. What did I do? Okay, the overlay is also gone missing, right? Did I remove the overlay somewhere? Overflow, not overlay. So okay, the overlay is fixed, and let's just refresh this again. But okay, this does not look good. So what's happening here? Canvas. So basically the canvas is fine. The parent height, if I just increase this, what is that? Items bottom, right? Items left, top, left, bottom is the height. If I increase this to 60%, maybe it will fix it. Yep, it fixed it. Kind of, maybe. Let's try 55%. Sorry, 55%. Okay. Maybe 58, maybe, because the padding in the bottom is a bit bothering me a bit. Okay, so we have it, guys. So yep, that is what we were planning to do. So okay, I guess this is quite okay, I guess, for a dashboard layout. You can always modify the elements here, but the main challenge here would be to make this thing responsive, because you see, if I resize this now, this breaks very badly, and also this portion here, if I resize this, you see. So the main challenge here would be to make this responsive. The charts, basically, the grids can be made responsive very easily by using media queries, as you know, but making the charts responsive is going to be challenging. So okay, let's just end this session here. Thank you if you stayed till the end. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.